How to fix WhatsApp last seen not showing. So if you're facing a problem with the WhatsApp last seen not showing, then what you need to do is first you need to just tap and hold on to your WhatsApp application. Go with the app info. Now under your app info, you need to just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you'll have the permission section. Under permissions, make sure that you allowed all of the permissions. And once you're done with the permissions, now you need to go back, go with storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now you need to open up your Play Store and go with search. And under search, you need to search for WhatsApp. And here you can go with update, which is on the right side. So tap on update. And once you've updated your WhatsApp, then your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't, then you need to open up your WhatsApp application and go with the top right, which has that 3 dots, and tap on settings. Under settings, you need to go with privacy. Now under privacy here, you will have last seen and online, right? So tap on it. And if you've selected nobody, then you won't be able to see the last seen. So if you want to see the last seen of other people, then you need to go with everyone. Once you've selected everyone, then you'll be able to see the last seen. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.